All right, so I've been working through this question for myself, and I think I've come to a pretty concise answer. So, what is an investment? What is an investment? An investment is a commitment of capital to an asset that generates cash flow or tangible returns, regardless of what others will pay for it. So, there's three components to it. You gotta give up your money now. Number one. Two, the asset produces cash, earnings, dividends, interest, rent, or other income. Then three, that asset continues to generate cash flow for whoever owns it, whether it's you or someone else. Okay, so think about it like this. An investment's value is anchored to what it produces, not just what someone is willing to pay for it. Okay, so let's give some examples here. Stocks. Stocks is the first example because all of us love stocks, right? Well, when you buy a stock, you buy a share in a company, and generally you own a piece of that company. That company generates a profit, and it could pay dividends or reinvest the growth, right? Cash flow exists whether you hold the stock or sell it. That exists for you or someone else, whoever owns it. Bonds. A borrower pays you interest. Interest is contractually obligated and happens regardless of the bond price. So with a real estate, same thing, right? A tenant pays you rent. That income stream exists whether property value rises or falls. And a business you own, that's another good example. Customers pay for products or services, cash flows come in, and when you sell it, if you sell the company for more or less, doesn't change the reality that it generated cash flow for you. Now, can I get a drum roll, please? What is not considered an investment? It would seem under this definition that Bitcoin is not an investment. Tulips most obviously are not investment. Art, definitely not investment. Gold doesn't seem to qualify, which I've always considered gold as insurance, and I can explain that rationale later. Collectibles, all these returns dependent upon price appreciation. Betting someone else is going to pay more for it later. All right, so there's the basics of an investment. Yeah, let me just give you this one last nugget. Investment has the idea of passive income plus fundamental value, and speculation is focused on price appreciation only. All right, hopefully that'll be helpful for you. Sure is helpful for me. Thanks. God bless.